Hello guys, Gaurav this side. Today I come with a new video. It's for a security testing. Many of people wants to know how to secure the application with malicious code. So this video is a complete solution of penetration testing, vulnerability and security testing. Today in the market we have various tools available like we have a web page, Regas, Skipface, SQL Map, Zed Proxy Service tools. These tools are the security testing tools. I'm using this tool from last couple of years. So today I will discuss about Zap. Zap is a Zed Proxy Service tool. It's a very powerful tool which is currently available on the market. Many of expert professionals are follow these tools to perform security and penetration testings. Zap scans vulnerability from an applications and provide the results with the solutions. Zap provides complete solution of a security lack and how hackers may break these security applications. Also, Zap support inbuilt port scanning, vulnerability scan and penetration testing. These are the very powerful features which support in Zap security testing tool. Apart from that, it's a open source across the platform availability. It's a powerful tool which is used by professionals. It's a fully documented with solutions. We can integrate with the other tools like we can integrate this with the CI/CD Jenkins tools and schedule build here. We can do parameter analysis with SQL injections here, and we have a spider scan, a Jack spider active scans. We can do this here. Let's start doing security testing with powerful tools. So today we will cover these 10 points and simultaneously we will do security testing here, and these are the 10 points. The very first one is why penetration testing and security testing need. So why security testing is need? Zap provides the port scanning, vulnerability, penetration testing inbuilt. So this testing provides the misuse of data by any hackers, like someone can damage the complete data, a whole data by a single SQL injections. We must secure this with our security testing tools. So second thing is disable antivirus and security programs. If you are using this, so make sure that your antivirus program and the security programs are turned off, because it might be possible it's a proxy server tools, they will block this and you cannot use security tools here. So make sure that you will be disable this program while using security testing tools. The next one is install Zap OC security pen testing tools. You can just Google download Zap security testing tools and download the complete setup. Let me show you. You can just Google download that proxy service tools. It's a OSIS security tool. It's a very powerful tool. You just go here and you can directly download this from here. After download, you need to install on your local PC. Once you have done, you will got this uh, you will got this icon. It's a Zap icon. So once you have done with this, let's start Zap. Just double click and open the Zap. Just close this and you can see here it's a new session. We can also create a new session from here. And basically the thing is that when we provide any URL, Zap Attack Proxy server hit that URL and provide the response back to the applications. This application create a report in various extensions, like we have a various extensions in Zap. We have a HTML report, XML report, JSON report, Markdown report. So we will get this all result on a different format. We can download this from here. Let's start doing this. Take any example, just like we have a many sites. We have a Facebook, Gmails, many site. Take any example. Let me take Kaspersky Internet Security. It's a very powerful software and very secure site. just go here, and this is a Kaspersky Internet Security. It provides the maximum protection against the viruses and malwares. So I will pick this site, just copy and close this tab. As you can see here, we have a mode here. We have a safe mode, protected mode, standard mode, attack modes. As you can see here, just I URL to attack, I'm providing this URL, particular URL, and once I click this attack button, this URL will be hit and zap, fetch the data from that particular URL and provide the result there. We can do this with different browser based on our requirements. We maybe our requirements with the Firefox, with the Chrome browser and the different browser. We can also do this by this here. We have a Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, GX browser. We can also do this with here. So let me show you first here. Once I will click on the attack, you can see here response. I just click attack. As you can see here, it's at 4% completed. Okay, just go here. Here's the methods. If you already know about methods are get, post, delete, put. These are the various methods. Kaspersky Internet Security is already the very protected site, so maybe possible there is a very less alerts here. Just scroll down, you can see here it's a 44% completed. You can also, we have a here spider scans. Now it's a spider scan string. We can also add here different kind of, just like a Zack spider. We have a here active scan here. We can view, it's according to requirements. We can do these actions based on our requirements. Now it's working on a spider because this particular site response are getting in the spider form. It's a spider scans because this site is Zed Proxy service tool automatically determine the language and the other parts and automatically convert this scan type. If need to perform on the active scans, then you can see the some different sites are covered under active scans and some are in a spider scan. So it's under spider scan, it's a 99% completed. So you can see here it's 100% completed. After 100% completed, you can see here it's a active scan started, but as I already told you that it's not need to perform here because it's not found. So just go to the spider scan, it's 100% completed. We can view, just click on the stop buttons. Okay, now it's stop. Go to here and just explore this. You can see here it's my URL that I provided on this particular area. Just you can see here there are different methods and it's my complete result. Actually it's a result form. You can see here, just click on the right and you can see here you can again attack on a different platform. If you want a spider attack again on this complete whole applications, you can do this from here. And you can also explore there if you want to on a particular methods on about screen, just like you can attack here for a spider active scans. You can do this from here. So it's a very powerful feature of Zed Proxy service tool. You can separately do with a, just like we have a Facebook page and I want to just perform an action on a login field, I can also do this with a different browser here. Just pick any browser from here, and once I will click on the launch browser, this will be open my new tab window. I will show you this later, and when I try to follow these steps, this will be record my all content and the all method will be show here, and we can create a report. So let's move to the report part. Just select this one and go to the report sections. As you can see here, here's a generate HTML report, generate XML report, and generate JSON report. Let me show you with the HTML report. I just selected this and created and tap on the XML report. Just provide here name. I am putting my name here, Gaurav, and save this on a location. It's a desktop. Okay, as you can see here, I have already told you Kaspersky is a very high protected site. It's a huge use in the all countries. That's why you are getting you can see here it's a high result is 0 alert, medium is a 0, it's a low let for founds. Okay, fine. You can perform this on a Facebook, maybe you get more error here, and it's depend on the security level of an applications. You can also do the same thing with the applications. In a mobile application, you can download from a Play Store or Apple Store and do the same thing with, I will discuss this with later. So you can see here's the descriptions. What is the issue? As I already know, Zap security testing tool provides the issue status, also the solutions, parameters, all in a single HTML report. So we can convert this report in XML and different types of format. So you can see here the problem is with this is the cache control, and so it's a low level issue, incomplete or no cache control, and pragma HTTP setter head. So this is a descriptions what is exactly issue. And as you can see, here is the URL. It's automatically categorize, it also automatically pick the URLs and put all the URLs in a single category and provide the solutions. Just like we have a same problem in a multiple we have a same problem in about sections and home sections, so it automatically determine that particular sections and provide the same URL on a single page and provide the same solution in a below table. You can see here this is a URL, and here is the method, and here is the past parameters. Just scroll down this page and you can see here solution. Yes, you can see here this is the solutions. Whenever possible, ensure the cache control HTTP header is set with no cache, no store, must evaluate, and that the pragma and HTTP header is set with a no cache. So it's the solution. Reference given below. So it's also showing you source ID. So this URL which are mentioned here has a same problem, same issue, and solution is there. So as I already told you, Zap security tools will provide us security perspectives, all parameters and solutions. You can see here all solution. Okay, just scroll down. This is the second issue, it's a lower category, and here's the URLs in which the issue is same. And just scroll down, and you can find here the solution. Ensure JavaScript source files are loaded by the only trusted source, and the source can't be controlled by the end user to the application. This is the solution for this particular issues. It's a low level issue, that's why it's showing this type of. Whenever you do with the different site, like you can take Facebook, Gmails and other rest of sites, your own website, you may be find here high level of issues with the solutions. You will here will be display high, and here's the descriptions, and you can scroll down that particular HTML or different format file and find the solution here. Okay, let's move to back. You can also do this with the report section. Here we have a HTML report, XML reports, JSON reports. You can download this report in different section, different parameters, extensions. So this is a direct attack. As I already told you, this is a direct attack on a particular URL. So we can also do these same things. Just go here. Okay, while we will do the other things, let me discuss the main things with you. We have a different requirements of a different projects. Like we have a banking project, so we will need a high protection for this. So the protection protocol must be very strong for that. So we can manage their protocols by in a analyze and scan policy manager. You can see here's a default. So as a default, you can see here there are various parameters. Let me click on the injections. As you already know, SQL injection is a very common which is used for the database to break the database. So here's the SQL injections. Here's the values default, strength is default, and quality is less. We can customize these policies according to our requirements, because sometimes we don't need such type of protections in our applications. We need a particular protection on the login page, so we can do this from here. And you can see here it's a policies. It's a default policies. It's a server security. Server security is these parameters. Let's cancel this. If I want to, my system requirement is different and I want to perform a different task here, my policies are different. I want to perform just like I have a project in banking, so I need a high protection there. So I will go with the here and add my own parameters here. I can change the service security type default and create my own here, just like we have a, just go to the here, and as you can see here it is editable and customizable. I want to SQL injections protection very high or no need to SQL protection, so I can do this with there, and later I will, once I will add this, and I can select these policies, and the all tasks which I will perform there are based on these particular policies. So it's a very powerful feature which provides in the Zap service tool. So you can also go to the tools. You can here see here I already discussed with, we have an active scanner, spider scanners. If I want to perform the active scanner and the spider scan on a particular URL, I can do this with here. Just click on a spider and provide this URL. This will be hit on the particular server and provide the response back to us. We can already discuss this, and then we will create this report from here. Okay, just close this. Same we can perform here spider active scans and many types of here. Just go to the options. Okay, so just it's for web applications. If I want to perform this same test on my mobile application, iOS application or Android application, how can I do this? So this is a very simple way. As you already know, we have a SSL certificates, so I need to install that SSL certificate on my device. How can I do this? Just go to the tool sections and click on options. Here you find dynamic SSL certificates. This is a certificate. Just import here and install this certificate on your Android device. You want to perform security testing and penetration testing there. Once you have done, just connect to your network with the same, just you are using your device network. Just I am using my laptop, and I also have my mobile applications, different mobile application I want to perform the test. So make sure that both the devices are connected with the same network. If I will connect both the devices with the same network, then I will get all my result on this way. Once I will perform, once I will open any applications and navigate that applications, so I will get this response from this side, and same as we can create here report from these sections. So it's a very customizable tool. We can add policies according to our requirements, and we can get the report in a different way here. We can scan here different types of scans. We have active scan, spider scan, different kind of scans here. If I want to perform different sessions, I can do this with this. Okay, just click on a close button. It's starting menu, and as I already discussed, I want to perform a particular test on a Chrome, and just open a launch browser button. As you can see here, so you can see here, once I will search here, once I am searching this, all there the parameters are showing here, and the response will get on the in a particular way. Once I will done this, let me show you. So my all actions are recording here. So I have a requirement of login page. I want to scan a particular login page, so I will navigate that all on my browser. So this browser result will be saved on the Zap security testing tool here, and the step is same as we discussed previously. Just right click here and go to the report section and create a HTML report. So it's a complete solutions of security, penetration testing, and malwares. We can scan here different type of security, like it's provide the SQL injections protections and many more protections here, and provide result in a proper way. So that's all about Zap security tools. Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.